Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those of you that have AMD chipsets with an AMD CPU that have an error code 1603, this is a very common error code right now. A lot of people are going nuts. I posted a video on my channel about installing the latest chipset from the manufacturer directly. I will re-share this link here on this video, and we'll put as a title that the error is 1603 in the install manager. It seems that for some reason it doesn't want to install. It comes up with that error when you go through the install manager. So everybody that has installed it through this link, which is at the bottom of the page, by the way. So when you go down, you'll see that there's AMD Ryzen chipset driver, Windows 10, Windows 11, 64 bits. So if you are plagued with the 1603 error, you click that and you install it through there manually. It will install and work. I've had a lot of people that appreciated the fact that I gave the information about the manual download of the chipset drivers. Because it really seems like the install manager has some kind of bug with the install. So just go through here. It will install what is needed. I installed it on 3 machines that are AMD here. One, it installed 2 drivers. My gaming laptop, it installed 5 separate drivers and 4 separate drivers on another machine. So it depends on the configuration of the computer you have. But it works through here. So just, download this, install it here, and you'll be okay with the install of the updates for the drivers. Because from what I see, a lot of people are having that 1603 error message. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.